If you are planning a day in Iseo, you are in the exact right place. We spent a truly amazing day here capturing the very best of this stunning lake town. We're breaking down everything you need to know, where to find the best parking spots, the must-see locations, and the top places to eat. Trust me, you'll want to stick around till the very end because this journey was packed with a lot of surprises. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, we've just arrived. We are now in the parking area. If you're lucky, like us, we've come not in the weekend, but during the week. So we found easily the parking spots. And for this, it's gonna cost you €2 per hour. It's not that bad if you think that you're just right on the lakeside. This is exactly why I told you we choose to come here during the weekdays instead of the weekend. As you can see, there are way fewer people around. This means no crowds, no parking nightmares, and no endless lines at the lakefront restaurants. It's honestly the perfect way to experience the true peace and quiet of this beautiful place. For example, guys, the last week we've recorded an amazing video on Lake Iseo on the Lake Garda. And we've decided to go there during the weekend so we can see how it is. By the way, it's May 2026, and you can check the video if you want to see how crowded it is. As you can see now, we are in the center of Iseo, and you can easily find so many bar restaurants. If you want to have a quick pause or just grab something to eat, I really recommend these places. They are very, very, very good. And of course, they are in front of the beautiful lakeside. In these corners, for example, you can find these really interesting places where you can just sit down and enjoy the beautiful view of the Lake Iseo. This is the main square of Iseo, and just on the right side we can find a really good restaurant, some boats, and the main port. I don't know if you can hear this, but there's a lot of wind today. It's a really strong wind, but the weather, however, it's pleasant, it's not cold. And I would not have expected this kind of wind on May. This is the first time that I'm actually seeing the waves like this on Lake Iseo. The typical weather of this place is usually very, very calm and relaxing. And I didn't expect today to find these beautiful waves. And stretching all the way into the sidewalk, you can find these beautiful bars and a lot of places where you can just take the classical Italian aperitivo. Iseo also offers you the opportunity to explore these beautiful Italian villages located in the historic center of Iseo. These were the old wash houses that were used by the locals. They most likely come here to use it to wash their clothes. Even back here, in these hidden alleyways, Iseo never ceases to amaze us. These streets are absolutely beautiful, tucked away right in the city center, and they're packed with these super elegant, charming restaurants. Now we're arriving at one of my favorite spots, Piazza Garibaldi. I absolutely love it here because of this super chill bar right near the center of the square. They call it Piazza Garibaldi because of that statue right there, which, fun fact, was actually the very first monument in Italy dedicated to him after his death. Show him in a completely casual, relaxed pose. I would say it fits the vibe here perfectly. This is easily one of the most beautiful views you can find here. Sunset around here is the ultimate golden hour. By the way, if you're enjoying this kind of content, take a quick second to smash that subscribe button. We have so many incredible destinations lined up for you. That being said, let's get back to the tour. Just look at how much pride the town of Iseo takes in the details around here. Check out the flower arrangements and the landscaping. They're just waiting to bloom for the peak of the summer season. Honestly, it's an absolute beautiful sight. Just a little further ahead, we have the ferry dock right here at the port of Iseo. As you can see, you can easily grab your tickets from these digital machines. Prices vary depending on what you're heading, but they are super budget friendly. We're talking about just 2 to 4 euro each way for the closer destination. It's an absolute steal. And what can I say about Iseo? It's a really relaxing and beautiful place. It's not like the last video that we've done the last week, Lazis on Lake Garda. That place I would recommend it for families, but also for people looking for fun. And however, this place I highly recommend it for couple and families, for this calm and relaxing peace. So it's been an amazing day exploring Iseo with you, and I really invite you to subscribe to the channel, and thank you if you really stayed in this video for this long. I do apologize for my English. Yes, I know it's not very good because of course I do speak Italian. English is my second language, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel and watch the other videos. Thank you, and see you on the next adventure.